Hello, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and I'm by the Buzz Pub and the Central Church in Paphos. Because before I go on my walk, I thought I'd just check out the ruins they uncovered here and see what was going on regarding their preservation. And things are taking shape here. Anyway, without further ado, and stopping merely to change the gimbal for my usual selfie stick because the battery ran out, which is a roundabout way of saying apologies if it wobbles a bit more than usual. Have another look there though. That's the perils of doing this sort of thing. There's so many things you've got to keep an eye on regarding battery charge. I think I will go up to the Delhi Gate this time because I missed it last time, and they deserve a bit of exposure just as anyone else. Plus their curries are very nice. Another Indian restaurant here. Jayanta. Ooh, I'm going to be walking to a bollard, don't want to do that. Because they're just at the right height. There's Baywatch Bar down there, looks like it's open again. Look in there as well. I think it's someone's private house. Must be weird having a house there in the middle of the hubbub of Paphos. Now I remember Delhi Gate because when we first started out, quite a few years ago now, they sponsored a competition I did when I was experimenting with 360 cameras, and the top prize was a €50 voucher there. They graciously donated. Now somewhere down here is a new gift shop. I might pop in and see. I couldn't have missed it. Cyprus Airways, Red Lion Bar, Alien, VIP Club. I must have missed it. I'll see if I can get it on the way back. Anyway, the reason I'm doing this walk isn't to show you the bars, etc. of Bar Street, and of course, not forgetting the nice little church here. No, it's because I want to have a look at Poseidonos Avenue and see how the roadworks are progressing. But also afterwards I'll be filming the seafront and the harbour and all the usual suspects. But I tend to go in a circular loop so I'm not walking to and fro too much. Takeaways. And remember, if you like our content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, as it really does help YouTube promote us. And if you want to help us financially, then go to our paphoslife.com/coffee page, and you can either send us coffee or click on one of the affiliate links. Right, so it's this end that's getting the renovation, well, hopefully soon. A new car park will be springing up down here, I'm wondering if this is it here. Signs of private parking at the moment. But I did see that the mayor had posted that something like a 70s spot car park was going to be constructed here somewhere. It does look like it's been cleared out a little bit more in what used to be Lineker's, or the one next to it. But nothing, there's no bulldozers going in yet or anything. I mean, the trouble with bulldozers though is that there are people living in the first floor or second floor of all these clubs. That's where I want to go though. Oh, I'd love to have a look around there. Fair play to that graffiti guy who got up there to write his little scrawl though. Couldn't have been easy. Noisy bugger. Speaking of these flats, I mean, what must it have been like living there when the clubs were in full swing? Were we just owned by the clubs themselves and that's where they lived? I don't know. You need some serious earplugs though to put up with a nightclub below you. There's that little restaurant that's just sprung up a few months ago, Akoursos. Nice to see them doing stuff. Annie Bell. Actually, just for a change, let's wander down here. I'm thinking that I might start the Poseidonos film as a new film, seeing as this is nearly 8 minutes long, and a lot of people want to see that. And I do know that the average attention span of the average viewer isn't necessarily 8 minutes. So if I start a separate film for that, then they'll be able to see exactly what they want before their attention span fizzles out. So we're going to walk up here and see where we end up. I honestly have no idea. I guess part of me is still hoping that I'll end up in that bowling alley. Oh, there's a club here. I've seen that advertised. So, they must still be open. 20 years light club. Oh, loft club, sorry. Certainly looks nice. The car park through there. That's interesting, I didn't know that was there before. Actually, I'll go and check that out. I know car parks aren't the most interesting things to see in a film, but it's always good to know where they are and how to get to them. Plus, this will be behind the bowling alley. And we'll be able to see a bit more of the loft club. €2 private parking. Oh, there you go. So somewhere there's a little man who will come out of his box and you'll have to give him €2. That seems to be the standard rate for private car parks. I'm not sure if those buildings over there are derelict or not. But there's a nightclub and it certainly looks nice enough. So let's go through here, because the merest hint of an abandoned house and I'll be on it like flies around an abandoned house or something like that. If it's your house, I do apologise. Oh, it's Sotiandria Flats, holiday flats. Oh, there's some washing hanging out. Someone still lives there. I don't think they're rented out as holiday flats though. There's a little cat there. But some of them might be. Anyway, we'll see if we can make our way through to Bar Street again. I'm trying to work out where the chap who wants his €2 is going to appear from. But he'll be lurking somewhere. We'll be wondering why he's being filmed. There's the rear of the Vibes Club. Boom, 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 boom. Weather-wise, to kill a bit of time as I'm wandering through a car park. Anyway, weather-wise, very nice and sunny, warm. Not too much dust in the air today, which is good. No cloud in the sky. Kind of weather people expect from Paphos, really, to be honest. Oh, that's definitely locked up there. That's got to get your camera out of here. Written all over it, so I'll be a good boy. Ooh. Ooh, stairs going down there, where do they go to? Ooh, another gate that's even more locked up than the previous one. And just for good measure, there's a padlock there. Jack Daniels, old time. So, that was an impromptu tour of Bar Street, and we're going around for a lap of honour now. See if we can find any interesting cats on the way. But we'll start our next film at the end here, so we can concentrate that purely on the Poseidonos Avenue roadworks. See you in the next film.